Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to the third class of MS Publishers for Beginners. In this class, we'll try to learn about some of the building blocks and some of the informations that is related with Insert tab. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to the world of Microsoft. So we have got more of the options there, like going for page parts. Go for this, and over there we have got some of the page parts that must be related to different sort of things. Like for example, if I click on this, that you can see that is related to title text. If you want to type something inside that and edit that furthermore, you can go and use that furthermore. Make sure to go for page parts, and we have got this, which you can be putting there and increasing the size of that. See, that works. Try to type something there and add it furthermore. And we have got calendars there, different sort of and beautiful sort of calendars there. If I click on that, now you must see that we have got calendar there, which is also printable, which you can print that out for your usage. Make sure to delete that out and go for calendars, more calendars. We have got more of the calendars, like maybe clicking on this and on this, and you can furthermore even select furthermore that, like this, and I have inserted 2030 calendar, my 2030 calendar. And then we have got borders. Make sure to click on any sort of border, like clicking on that, and this is already prepared. Make sure to delete that out and go for borders furthermore, and maybe click on this. Try to take that and put it there and drag that to right side. Take the copy of that, hold the control or the command button, press C button and press V button in order to be pasting that. Put it there. Try to click on that once again, control C, or maybe hold the control button and press C and press V. Make sure to take that out, and from this place you must be rotating that. Try to put it there and drag that. Take the copy of that and put it there, and that is how your border is being made. So make sure to hold the control or the command button and press A button in order to be selecting all of the border, and press delete button. We have got advertisements which you must be using for different sort of purposes, like free offer, and you must be typing something inside that 50%. See, let me select that and decrease the size of that so that make sure to go for draw text box, which is something usual. I have taught you many times. And let's try to go and delete that out. Make sure to go for insert, and over there we have got business information, which is I think useless option, because there is an alternative option which you can go and take out draw text box and type whatever is present there already in business information. So no need to take that and bother yourself, but sometime if needed you can go and you can apply that. More business information, which you can go and take that and put it there and maybe added that furthermore. Make sure to delete that out. Word art, which is something usual I have taught you. Maybe I want to type America. See, that works. And you can furthermore edit that by clicking on Format tab, and we have got word art styles. Now I am free to use and utilize any style I want, and also change the style of that furthermore. See, that works. Even I'm not clicking on that. I can also even bring the space inside that. I can also edit that by typing like Canada. Make sure to delete that out. Go for insert file. Well, insert file is something if you are having different sort of file on your PC, so you must be bringing that out. Like let's suppose I want to create sort of text box there. Hit enter and try to type something inside that, or maybe like I am going today. I have typed this. Make sure to close that out and go for MS Publisher there. Go for insert file, go for desktop and insert that out over there. So whatever I typed there is being brought there. And there is another option. If you want to type something and select that and go for symbol option, you must be converting that to sort of symbol there, and you must be increasing the size of that. So that is completely related to how to bring symbols inside that. Date and time. If you want to bring date and time there, you can also go and bring date and time you need. That is how the things are working like. Make sure to go for object option, and from this place you are free to be bringing any sort of different file like from Excel or PowerPoint. See, I have brought different sort of chart over there. If you want to get rid of that, press escape button on keyboard, and now you have to be selecting that and clicking that or deleting that. Make sure to go and click on hyperlink, which must not be working now at the moment. So what I have to recommend you is to type something there, maybe even one sort of letter there. Make sure to go for hyperlink. VLC media player. Okay, so how can I open that? Hold the control button and click on that. Click on yes. Okay, so now you must be observing that the link I made is being opened there, in which I added VLC media player. So that is what the things are working like. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.